O, pagka busy days, ang kamay, ganon. Busy days. Busy days. Ganon na. O, excuse me. Ganon na. Pagka maating umubo, say, excuse me. O, ganon na. Busy days. O, pag narinig niyo yun. Tapos, yan, we have spent. Busy days, we have spent. Ganon na. O, Diesel, sa akin tumingin. Rush. Busy days. Di ba yung una, gaganong-ganong kayo? Yan. Tapos, busy days, we have spent. Ganon na. Ayan. Crayons and pencil. With our crayons and pencil, ha? Una muna isang kamay, crayons, tapos pencil, dalawang kamay. Ayan. Drawing objects. Yan na, no?